All right, this is the finished product of my turkey cheese, the substitute for hog head cheese. Now, someone said it looked like a loaf of bread. Well, it's supposed to when you put it in a square container. It's supposed to look like that because you have to have its shape. So this is what it looks like. This is shiny. Now, only thing about this about the hog head cheese is it's made out of a thick or brine or gel than the turkey. So it's not going to be as firm as the hog head cheese, but it has that taste. It has that delicious taste that we all crave for. This is what this is. Now you see the gelatin on it, how shiny it is? That is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm going to cut it and let you see what it looks like. But this is the way it was formed. It was flattened in these little black containers. And when it formed, I poured it out on top of this plate. So that's why it looks like a piece of bread, y'all. A piece of banana bread, but it's not. It's a form of how it's made. See on top of there, you can see the little different kinds of spices that I have in there. So I'm going to slice it and let you see what it looks like. All right, I sliced it. And what's so keen about it is turkey meat. It's not pork. So it's not going to be as firm and lucrative as a hog head cheese. But man, it tastes so good. It is a delicious piece of art here, y'all. Made out of turkey. Who would not want this recipe who used to eat hog head cheese and don't eat that pork no more? Who will not want to try this? This is delicious, y'all. It looks like a piece of bread, but it's not. It's the way it's formed. I formed it in these little pans. This little pan right here. And that's what it turned out to be. This is Sandy. I want to tell you happy eating. Get this recipe of this turkey cheese instead of hog head cheese. It's turkey cheese. And it is fabulous, y'all. I taste it and it's good. And I just had to come back with another video and let you see what it looked like. Because look at the shine on there. That is the way the gel come into this dish. It's delicious, y'all. It's delicious. Look at turkey in there. Healthy and everything. Tastes wonderful. This is Saturday. I want to tell you happy eating because I'm going to get that southern taste. If I have to not use pork, I will use that turkey, y'all. And this is Saturday. I want to let you know that I'm in the kitchen fixing some turkey instead of pork, y'all. I want to say happy eating, and I want you to enjoy this treat because it is fabulous. Get you some crackers, get your soda, get your beer, and eat this right here, y'all. This is wonderful. This is Sandy. I want to say happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel.